Hey, here we are, folks. We're at the crab boil, and this is how many pounds of crabs?
About
40?
pounds?
How much?
15, 20 pounds?
No.
That wasn't more than that?
38.
It was 38 pounds, yeah.
We got 38 pounds of crabs here. They're all live. Here, look.
They're dormant. They've been on ice.
They've been on ice, so they're dormant.
That's a female.
Why is that? Why is she a female?
She's a female because she has fingernail polish on her fingernails. You
So
see
these
the red on the end of the fingernails, the males don't have that. And white on the bottom.
So these are all females.
It's all females. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dump them up in this pot of hot water.
You gonna do it now or later?
No.
Wait. Hang on. You guys ready? Hang on. Oh, shit. All right, go ahead. He's gonna do this. Oh, they're swimming.
No, they ain't swimming. Not anymore.
They're done.
Yeah, that's done.
Nobody screamed.
Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna ball them. We're gonna bring them back to a ball.
All right.
All the bubbles you see are the crabs soaking up the water and the juice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid back on it, and we're gonna let the water come back to a nice ball. Ball it for 5 minutes, soak it for 20 minutes, and they're done.
And that's it with the hot dogs.
Yes, without doubt.
You put the hot dogs in or no?
When the water comes to a ball.
Oh, so we're gonna put hot dogs in here.
When the water comes to a ball.
All right, Olga, Ivan, Ahmed. How long does it take for the water to come to a boil?
It might take a little while. 40 pounds of crabs, it cools the water off a
About
lot.
half hour?
Nah, maybe about 10, 15 minutes.
So, hey, you guys saw that? 15 minutes. I'll come back with some photos. Hey, Olga, Ivan. If you want, let me see it one more time before I shut the phone off. I'll come back. So what's all in here? Just we have somebody from St. Louis here who's a chef.
You got garlic, you got celery, onions, potatoes. You got all kind of stuff in here.
What about the special sauce we put in?
We put in liquid crab bar. We put in dry crab bar. We put in a lot of Zatarans, hot season. Yeah.
All right.
It's hot.
It's gonna be hot.
So we gotta get it to boil. So we're gonna put the lid back on.
Okay, put the lid back on. All right, and what are you gonna do with these? The mushrooms?
When the water comes to a boil, we're gonna put the mushrooms and the hot dogs in, and we're gonna turn the fire off. We're gonna let them soak, and that cooks enough just to make those just right.
And what do you call this?
What do I call that?
What we're having tonight? What's this whole thing called?
The crab boil.
The crab boil.
B-O-I-L. Now burl. B-U-R-L. It's boil.
Boil. You guys? You get all that? You take your notes? Byron, thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Byron lives down here in Louisiana. Been down here his whole life. And
we're doing it in the dark.
We're doing this in the dark. We got the street lights on.
Look,
and
we're doing it in the dark.
Say bye.
Coonass off.
Say Barry. Talk to Barry. He'll watch it.
Bye, Barry. You'll see it.
Yeah, he'll see it.
Barry, I'm treating you right, man. I gotta do your people right, man.
All right. So, you guys, you like that? I'll put some post some pictures a little bit later.